Sorptivity can be considered as a durability performance indicator for concrete systems. This video demonstrates how to determine the sorptivity of concrete using the test procedures given in the South African Durability Index Manual. Sorptivity can be determined by the measurement of the absorption rate of capillary rise on a reasonably homogeneous material. We require the following apparatus and materials: plastic or stainless steel tray, impermeable base sticks, saturated calcium hydroxide solution, a damp tissue or cloth, a weighing machine, and concrete specimens of diameter 70 plus or minus 2 mm and thickness 30 plus or minus 2 mm. This specimen can be prepared as follows. First, prepare a concrete cube of side 150 mm and then cure it as needed. Then, using a concrete coring machine, extract a cylinder with a diameter of 70 plus or minus 2 mm from this cube. Apply a thin coating of epoxy on the curved surface of the cored cylinder. Then, allow the epoxy to cure for a period as recommended by the manufacturer. After the epoxy is cured well, mark 15 mm from one end, then mark the subsequent points with about 30 plus or minus 2 mm as shown on the screen. This way, 4 specimens can be obtained from one core. Then cut the cylinder to prepare the concrete disc specimens. A concrete cutting machine with a diamond cutting blade is used. To ensure utmost safety, personal protective gears such as hand gloves, eyeglasses and earplugs must be used while cutting the concrete. The machine might accidentally pull the concrete specimen towards the blade. Therefore, it is very important to keep your hands away from the blade and not along the cutting line or in front of the blade. The specimens are kept in the oven at 50 degrees Celsius for 7 days. After 7 days, the specimens are taken out of the oven and cooled for 2 hours at laboratory temperature. Now the concrete disc specimens are ready for testing. Now let us move on to the procedure. First, measure and record the diameter and thickness of the concrete disc specimens. Then, record the initial mass of each specimen. Place the base sticks in parallel position in the tray. Pour calcium hydroxide solution in the tray such that the bottom 2 mm of the specimen will be submerged. Place the 4 test specimens with the test face on the base sticks and start the stopwatch. Record the mass of each specimen at time intervals 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, 16, 20 and 25 minutes. Make sure to wipe the excess solution on the exposed face of the specimen before weighing with a damp tissue. This is to ensure surface saturated dry condition. That is, it should look damp but not have any free water on the test face. Care must be taken to prevent dripping from one specimen onto the top of another while removing a specimen from the tray for weighing. The stopwatch should not be stopped during the weighing procedure. Record the mass of the specimen within 10 seconds of removal from the tray. Replace the specimens each time with the same test face on the base sticks. The saturation condition is attained when the weight of the specimen remains constant for a long time.